Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. How often does your motorcycle require a warrant of fitness inspection if your motorcycle was first registered before the 1st of January 2000? A. 12 months. B. 6 months. C. 2 years. D. 1. 5 years. The correct answer is B. Question 2. When you are turning to the right. A. Give 3 seconds warning. B. Give 2 seconds warning. C. Only signal if there are cars behind you. The correct answer is A. Question 3. A vehicle is coming up the hill when you are on a narrow, steep road going downhill. What should you do? A. Vehicles driving downhill should give way to vehicles driving uphill. B. Vehicles driving uphill should give way to vehicles driving downhill. The correct answer is A. Question 4. What should you do if after a train has passed the red lights continue to flash at a railway level? Crossing. A. Wait. Check both ways once they've stopped flashing and then cross. B. Check both ways and if nothing is coming then cross. C. Wait for 10 seconds and then cross. The correct answer is A. Question 5. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 6. At an intersection, when must you not pass a vehicle on the left? A. When the other car slows down. B. When the other car is indicating right. C. When the other car is indicating left. The correct answer is C. Question 7. In a line of stopped or moving traffic, what should you do? A. Drive on the right past the traffic. B. Drive on the left past the traffic. C. Stay in the center of your lane. D. Stay in the right-hand side of your lane. E. Stay in the left-hand side of your lane. The correct answer is C. Question 8. What is the maximum speed you can ride when towing? If your trailer including its load is up to half the weight of your motorbike. A. 45 km per hour. B. 60 km per hour. C. 80 km per hour. D. 90 km per hour. The correct answer is D. Question 9. On a loading zone, when may you park your vehicle? A. At no time are you permitted to park here. B. You can only park here on weekends and after business hours. C. You can park only for the amount of time shown on the sign and only for the purposes of unloading. D. It's between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. E. At all times during business hours. 8 a.m. to 6 a.m. The correct answer is C. Question 10. When riding on slippery surfaces, what should you do? Check all that apply. A. Brake hard. B. Use the front brake first. C. Ride slower. D. So your tire is in contact with the road. Lean the bike over. E. Stay in a high gear. The correct answer is B. C. Question 11. Engine seizure is usually imminent when A. Loss of power and a change in the sound. B. More power. C. Shrieks and pops coming from the exhaust. D. Blue and red smoke emerging from the unit. The correct answer is A. Question 12. What should you do when a flock of sheep are coming toward you on a country road? Check all that apply. A. Sound your horn and keep driving, the sheep will pass. B. Slow down and be prepared to stop. C. Follow the farmer's instructions. D. Continue driving slowly with your hazard lights on. The correct answer is B. C. Question 13. Maintenance vehicles use what color of flashing lights? A. Red. B. Blue and yellow. C. Yellow. D. Blue and red. The correct answer is C. Question 14. What should you do if you are riding behind a large truck? A. Take advantage of the slipstreaming effect to save on fuel mileage by staying fairly close. B. Stay in the middle of the road and ride fairly far back. C. Ride on either the left or right so that you can see the vehicle's side mirror and stay fairly far back. The correct answer is C. Question 15. What is the safety thing to do if you are driving on a country road at night when your vehicle headlights suddenly go out? Select all that apply. A. Slow down and prepare to stop somewhere safe. B. To attract the attention of cars coming towards you. Stop on the right side. C. Turn your hazard lights on. D. Continue driving slowly with your hazard lights on. E. Continue driving with your interior lights on. The correct answer is A. C. Question 16. What does this sign mean? A. It shows the way in which to get to the information center. B. Historical monument ahead. C. There's an intersection to the right. The correct answer is A. Question 17. What should you do if you see a pedestrian carrying a white cane across the street? A. Warn them that you are there by tooting your horn. B. Stop and wait for them to cross. C. Drive past them. The correct answer is B. Question 18. What is a good rule to follow when traffic is merging? A. The vehicle that is larger has right of way. B. Merge like a zip. Let one vehicle in then go. C. The vehicle that is smaller has right of way. The correct answer is B. Question 19. When at an intersection controlled by a give way sign, what must you do? Select all that apply. A. If you are turning, give way to vehicles not turning. B. If you are turning right, give way to vehicles driving towards you, including those turning left. C. Give way to all traffic on a continuing road. The top of the T. If you are on the terminating road. Bottom of the T. The correct answer is A, B, C. Question 20. The headlights on your vehicle must be dipped at what time? Check all those that apply. A. When you are behind other vehicles. B. When a police officer is directing traffic. C. When you park. D. When other vehicles are approaching you. The correct answer is A, B, C, D. Question 21. Small amounts of alcohol can affect your driving in which way? A. Your driving won't be affected by a small amount of alcohol. B. Your driving will be impacted by any amount of alcohol. The correct answer is B. Question 22. You are allowed to pass a vehicle to your left at what point? Check all that apply. A. You have been directed to by a police officer. B. It's safe to pass and there are 2 or more lanes on your side of the road. C. The car you will pass is either slowing down or has stopped and is signaling a right turn. D. There isn't enough room to pass safely on a single-lane road as the vehicle is either a motorcycle or scooter. The correct answer is A, B, C. Question 23. If the vehicle behind you wishes to pass, what should you do? A. Speed up and drive past them. B. Pull to the left to let them pass. C. It's their responsibility to overtake safely. Continue driving. D. Speed up and signal right. The correct answer is B. Question 24. Of the 4 hazards marked, which one is most likely to require you to take urgent action as the driver of the blue car? A. The cyclist. B. The parked car on your side of the road. C. The car coming at you. D. The pedestrian on the opposite footpath. The correct answer is A. Question 25. What does this sign mean? A. Crossroads. B. Roundabout. C. No entry. D. No stopping. The correct answer is D. Question 26. You see this sign when you are coming up to a one-lane bridge. What must you do? A. Stop and cross the bridge if there is no traffic coming. B. If there is traffic coming towards you across the bridge, then stop and wait until it's clear. C. You have right of way across the bridge, continue on. The correct answer is B. Question 27. If you intend to move your vehicle from the right-hand lane to the left-hand lane, what must you do? Check all that apply. A. Indicate left for 3 seconds. B. Check your blind spot over your left shoulder. C. Look in your rear view mirror. The correct answer is A, B, C. Question 28. What might be likely to happen on a high-crowned road? And in what situation should you reduce speed? A. You could lose control because your front wheel may leave the road surface. B. You could lose control because your rear wheel could leave the road surface. C. There may be another vehicle on your side of the road as you come over the crest. D. Your right peg might hit the road as you turn right. The correct answer is D. Question 29. When may you turn right on a red light? A. If there's a green arrow to the right or straight ahead with no red arrow. B. If there is a red arrow, point straight ahead. C. Any time as long as there is no other traffic around. The correct answer is A. Question 30. Does the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 31. The main reason for wearing protective clothing is what? A. Makes for a smoother ride. B. To help prevent serious injury or death. C. To help other drivers see you better. The correct answer is B. Question 32. A load may overhang your motorbike behind the rear axle by what maximum distance? A. 1 meter. B. 2 meters. C. 3 meters. D. 4 meters. The correct answer is A. Question 33. If someone stays with the vehicle to move it, can you park over a fire hydrant? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 34. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 35. Does the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A.